Welcome to the Pixel Perfect training video. My name is Janvi and I am part of Pixel Perfect customer success team. In this video, I'll walk you through the Pixel Perfect user interface called Webfolio. So what is Pixel Perfect? Pixel Perfect is a Tableau extension that can solve the last mile problem in Tableau. It can create print ready and well formatted reports in popular exportable formats such as PDF, PPT, Excel and more from Tableau. You can create paginated reports with page numbers, page breaks, and repeatable headers and photos. You can also create flat reports with no limitation to number of rows or columns. And it has scheduling functionality, which allows user to schedule a report and email those reports or save them to SFTP. First, let's add a Pixel Perfect extension to the Tableau dashboard. Enter the edit mode of the dashboard. Move your mouse to the bottom left corner of the dashboard and change the layout arrangement from tilt to floating. Then we can drag the extension to any empty space on the dashboard. The next step we are going to do is to click on My Extension and we need to provide a T-Rex file. T-Rex file is a pointer to the Pixel Perfect server and this file will be shared with you once Pixel Perfect is enabled in your environment. Now we are done with the setup of Pixel Perfect extension. Click on the drop-down button on the right of the extension and choose to configure. Then a new window will pop up. This is the Pixel Perfect front end called Webfolio. So now I'll walk you through all the tabs and functionalities within Webfolio. On the top of the screen, there are three tabs that you will use, which are Configuration, Report Generation, and Jobs. First, let's walk through the Configuration tab. There are two smaller tabs under it, which are Configuration and Upload Report Template. Upload Report Template is a tab that is used to upload the designed report template and the jar file. This is the first tab we use while navigating through the Webfolio. On the left, we can choose the Tableau site for which we need to upload the files to, and on the right is the place where we can upload the jar file and report template with the file format .rpt design. In addition to the upload report template, we can also download and delete the template under the action columns or search for a specific report template in the search box. Next, let's move to the configurations tab. The left side is where we can download the jar file for designing report template and configure the template which will be used while scheduling and generating the report. While configuring the template, we can choose the format of the report you want to generate, template of your report, the workbook for which extension is added, select worksheets and image sources that you need in the template, then save the template as the name you want. And the last one is Transpose Data button, which is used to transpose measure names and values from rows to columns. Then you can either save the configuration or reset it. Pixel Perfect also supports generating report for multiple workbooks. For generating a report for multiple workbooks, choose more than one workbook and select worksheets and image sources for each workbook and save the template. The right hand side is where you can find all the templates that you saved. You can either scroll up and down to find the templates you want, or you can easily type the template name in the search box to find your template. Here you can also see the last time you modified a particular template. Under the Action tab, you can click on the Edit icon to edit your saved templates and you can delete the template that is no longer needed. What if you want to delete multiple templates at once? Then we can select the checkbox of templates that you want to delete and click on the bigger delete button on the top. Now that we are done with the configuration tab, let's move to the report generation tab. This is used to schedule, generate and distribute the reports via email or other distribution options like SFTP and Google Drive. Here there are two tabs. On-Demand tab is used to generate reports by just clicking on the Pixel Perfect extension on the Tableau dashboard. First, we need to select the template which is pre-configured in the Configuration tab. Then select any one of the exportable formats available for the selected template and then save the configuration. Once the configuration is saved, Pixel Perfect button will be enabled on the Tableau dashboard. This button will be used to generate a report on demand. Next, let's move to the Server tab, which is used to schedule, burst and distribute the reports. To schedule or burst a report, we need to first select the template which is saved on the Configuration tab and select any of the available exportable format for the selected template. We also have report encryption option. On enabling this option, user will need to provide a password. The generated report will be in encrypted form and can be opened only after entering the password used while scheduling the report. Then on the right hand side is where we set up the report scheduling. There are two options which are schedule and report burst. Report schedule is used to generate and send reports to non-Tableau users, and report burst is used to generate and distribute reports among different Tableau users with different data level access. For both the options, you can choose whether to generate a report once or recurring, the time that you want to distribute the report, the folder where the report can be saved, whether send the report via email, and whether share the file via SFTP or Google Drive. Now we have understood the functionalities of report generation tab. Let's go to the next one, the jobs tab. The scheduled jobs are displayed on the jobs tab with details. Let me walk you through from left to right. First, we can see different icons which indicates the schedule type, that is schedule, report burst and schedule with email. Then is the username who has scheduled the report. It will also show other details like report name, report format, frequency of report generation, start time, end time and the next scheduled time. There are four status available. If the status is scheduled, then it means that the report generation is scheduled. If the status is generating, then it means that the report generation is in progress. If the status is completed, then it means that the report generation is already completed. And if the status is paused, then it means that the report generation is paused. You can also reconfigure scheduled job by clicking on the reconfigure button. You will get a pop-up window where we can change the different settings set while scheduling a job. The Run Now option allows you to run the configured report by just clicking on the button. We can pause and resume one or more report generation when the status is scheduled. What if we want to change the ownership of a scheduled job? Just use the Change Job Ownership button and the job ownership will be changed. When we click on this button, we need to enter the username to whom we want to transfer the job and click on Transfer. If the logged in user is a Tableau admin, then the user can also reschedule the already scheduled reports by other users by just clicking on the Others tab and selecting the Reconfigure button. The user can also access the job scheduled by other users. Congratulations! Now you have understood the functionalities of all the tabs in Pixel Perfect Webfolio. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions about Webfolio, please contact the Pixel Perfect customer success team. Thank you for watching.